All right, folks, here comes Amtrak Joaquin Train 719. Final destination of that train is Oakland, Jotlin Square, Oakland. Here it comes. That's an F59 PHI. Could be 2014 leading this one off. Here it comes, a train B. Once again, this is Amtrak Joaquin Train 719 arriving. This train will return back at 7:14 tomorrow. Okay, what track you? Okay, he's going on track 1. All right, 2014 leads off. 719. This train was on 710 this morning. 2014 alongside with. Damn, that's a long train right here. Alongside with 6965 Point St. George. This is the set Isaac rode on yesterday on 710. All right, folks. We'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Bye-bye now. All right, folks. Here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 748. Final destination of that train is Sacramento. Here it comes. We already know this horn. This is 8306. Mount Soda leads off. Mount Soda alongside with, I believe, with 2105 tailing in the back. Here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 748 on its way to Sacramento, arriving on track number 2. Once again, this is 8306 Mount Soda leading off. People are cutting through the train to get to the Capital Corridor. All right, this is Antoine's favorite cat car. You know that train's gonna stop here. You don't know why you're gonna throw it at the signal. All right, folks, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. This is 748 headed to Sacramento. All right, folks. 748 Capital Corridor Train now departed. 8306 Mount Soda. Thanks for the horn show, Mount Soda. 8306, 8804 Napa Valley, 8801 Yoba River, 8024 Cosmeta River. SC44 Siemens Charger 2105, of course. There go that train, folks, on its way to Sacramento, the last train of the night. Okay, this train will go back at 5:21 in the morning. The next day as 5:21. All right, folks, I am Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Listen to the sound of Mount Soda street running down there. All right, goodbye. All right, folks, this is the outer service 719 on its way to the Oakland Amtrak yard. 6965 Point St. George leading this one off. Alongside with 2014 tailing in the back. Alright, 2014, but still close the door on 2014. Engineering, next time close the door on the way on these trains before the train get hijacked like Grand Theft Auto. Well, anyway, they got that train to the port of Oakland. That train will be returning back at 7:14 tomorrow morning. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Please like, share, subscribe, and also still today is my birthday. Happy 38th birthday to me. All right, later. Coming up next is the Coast Starlight number 14 with ALC 42, Day 1 Heritage Unit 301 leading. Thank you.